Hi there, my name is Sam, and in this video I'll show you everything you need to know when it comes to publishing layouts to your Shopify store. So let's start with publishing a page. This is the page I want to publish, and then we simply click on the publish button. Let's do that. It will optimize this page and deploy it to Shopify, and now we have two different options. Open Theme Editor, which opens this page inside the Theme Editor, or View Live Page. Underneath, we have some advanced options to determine to which theme we want to publish this page. This is all set and good to go. So let's click on View Live Page, quickly loading, and there we have the live page on our Shopify store. The other option is Open Theme Editor, and this opens up the page inside the Shopify Theme Editor. There we go. We can see this page inside the Theme Editor, fully functional and of course responsive as well. Now, what if I want to turn this page into my homepage? It's a very simple process, so let me show you. Back an instant inside the project panel, we can see that we're currently working on this specific page. It's highlighted. So let's open up the page settings by clicking on the three dots and clicking on page settings. And here we have a button saying set as homepage. And when we click on this, we get a quick sort of warning message to reassure that we want to set this as our theme's homepage. So let's do that and click on publish. Now Instant will publish this as the homepage of your theme, and as you can see, it's done. So now this page has turned into our homepage. Next to pages, we can also publish product pages. Inside the project panel, we can see we're currently inside one of the product pages that I have created, and to publish this page, we also click on publish this template. It's pushed to Shopify, and then we have another option right here, which is assign products. So it's good to know when you're building a product page, you're essentially building a template. And when you click on publish, the template is published to Shopify, and then you have to assign it to specific products. So let's do that by clicking on assign products. And here we have two different options. We can set this template as the default template for our Shopify theme, meaning that every single product page for all our products will look like this, of course, with the product content of that specific product. Another option is to assign it to specific products. So maybe we only want to use this layout for a couple of products in our Shopify store. You simply select them. So let's select all these example products, and then we click on assign products. And then again, this template will be assigned to those specific products inside our Shopify store. And there we have it. 4 products are assigned to product page template number 25. That's the name of this product page. Last but definitely not least are sections. When it comes to publishing sections, it's important to give them a name that makes sense so you can easily find them. So you can do that by clicking on the 3 dots again, section settings, and then you can change the name. This name is fine. So now let's click on publish this section. It's published to Shopify, and then we get the option to open the theme editor. So let's click on that. And right here in the theme editor on this random page, we can select add section. And when we do that, we can look for the name hero section, and there we already have it. We click on it and it's added to this specific page in our Shopify store. We can change all of the content right here from within the Shopify theme editor, and we can use this section on as many pages as we want. And that's it for this video. So thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next one.